Welcome everyone to Purely Nomad. I am Yash and this is part 5 of the Ride to Alaska series. For those who are new to the channel, this is part of a larger series that covers my journey from New York City to Key West, Florida to Dead Horse, Alaska. Do check it out on my YouTube channel. I will link it up here. Day 8 began in Calgary, Alberta with a well-deserved service and tire change for my bike. Service was performed by Underworks Motorrad Calgary. Amazing people, and they were very welcoming to attend to my bike without an appointment, simply because I was on the road. They did an amazing job in a very short time, that too on a holiday. Appreciate that a lot. Do give them a call if you are in the area and need your bike serviced. Details are in the description below. The plan for the day was to explore Banff and Jasper National Parks. So let's get back to the road and enjoy the scenery. After the service, I rode to Banff National Park in Canada for some sightseeing. However, I quickly left Banff since it was Canada Day and the park had become quite crowded. After a quick stop at Lake Louise, I jumped on the Icefields Parkway to Jasper. I had heard that this was the most beautiful road in the entire North America, and it did justify the claim. Tall mountains, glaciers, and cool blue lakes lined right next to the road. I had never seen anything like this before in my life. Although the weather started out just perfect, it did rain a little towards the end, and this only added to the beauty of the mountains, giving them a very dramatic look. Just keep watching and you will see. warned me to be on the lookout for bears. I was eagerly anticipating a bear encounter, so I kept a sharp eye out for them. Soon after, I noticed something in my peripheral vision and decided to make a U turn to investigate. Sure enough, it was a bear. I was overjoyed because this was my first bear encounter of the trip, and I made sure to film it. After a quick stop to record the bear, I was on my way towards my stop for the night, McBride, BC. I had found a very cute cabin for the night, so I was eager to get out of the cold and get a hot shower. The day was amazing and I enjoyed this region of Canada a lot. I will surely be returning to explore more. That is all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know the drill. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.